Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to uninstall Photos Media Engine add-on in Windows 10. Click Start, Settings. Click Apps. Type Photos in Apps and Features search bar. Click Microsoft Photos. Click Advanced Options. Click Photos DLC Media Engine, click Uninstall. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.